In this video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code with your iPhone 16. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. One way feels a little bit easier to me, and the other way doesn't seem as easy, even though it's the most obvious one. So basically, what you could do is you could drag from the top right corner of your iPhone, and then there is a QR code scanning app that you can use. Or if it's not on your control center, you can go ahead and add it by long pressing, and then adding a control when you find that QR code. But basically, you tap on that, and then you zoom at the right level on that QR code, and once you get to the right spot, it will go ahead and recognize it and visit that site there, just like that, and it'll open it in Safari. Now, you have to get the perfect distance on it when you're using that, so I don't like that one as much. But the other way, which is, to me, just as easy as opening your camera app on your iPhone 16. And then, what you're going to do is just go ahead, and once you see it lock on, you just tap on the yellow bar right here, and it'll take you to the website. That one's a lot easier to use just because the camera app is going to be a lot more detailed and be able to focus in better on that QR code. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.